Just when you thought you'd tried every possible way to enjoy avocados, from smashed on toast to blended into smoothies, an epiphany strikes. Imagine the creamy texture and subtle nuttiness of avocados enhancing not just your breakfast, but every meal from sunrise to sundown, including that cheeky cocktail hour. We're here to rekindle your avocado obsession in ways you never thought possible, to elevate the humble green fruit, yes, it's a fruit, to star status in a feast of culinary creativity. Avocado is essentially the cool, versatile friend in the culinary world, showing up in avocado oil, guacamole, salads, and more. But oh, it has so much more to offer. Let's embark on this creamy green journey, shall we? Did you know that the avocado is a berry with a single seed? Native to south-central Mexico, it has become a staple in kitchens globally, not only for its taste, but also for its impressive health benefits. Loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and almost 20 vitamins and minerals, the creamy avocado is like your body's best friend. Moreover, its versatility is something of a culinary miracle. Avocado's creamy texture can replace fats in baking, add smoothness to sauces, and even create a decadent base for desserts. Creatively, it's a blank canvas ready to absorb flavors or enhance them subtly yet powerfully. With that established, let's dive into some recipes that showcase this versatility, starting with the first and most important meal of the day, breakfast. As dawn breaks, why resort to the same old cereal or toast? Let's tart up the first meal with avocados. Imagine kicking off your morning with avocado ricotta cloud toast. Simply whip ricotta with lemon zest and spread it thickly over your toasted bread of choice. Top with slices of avocado, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of chili flakes for that morning kick. Next up, for those who crave a bit more spice early on, the spicy avocado and egg breakfast bowl will not disappoint. Scoop out some avocado halves and crack an egg into each. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of cayenne before baking to bubbly perfection. Serve with a salsa of tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro for a meal that says good morning, with a zesty punch. Both these options reframe the role of avocado, turning it from a side player to a leading role in your breakfast narrative. Avocado adventures, main courses, and snacks. For lunch or dinner, let's escalate things a touch with some serious avocado incorporation. First, behold the avocado chicken parmesan. Here, avocado slices are breaded and fried until crispy, then laid over a juicy chicken breast with marinara and mozzarella. It's a classic comfort dish, but with an irresistible creamy twist. Then, for the snackers among us, transform your guacamole game with mango jalapeno guacamole. Instead of just lime and cilantro, add finely chopped jalapeno peppers and ripe mango for a sweet, spicy, and tangy flavor profile that turns every chip dip into a taste adventure. These mains and snacks showcase how seamlessly avocado merges with both the flavor and texture of traditional dishes to create something fantastically new. Sweet and sippable. Avocado in desserts and drinks. Avocado in desserts? Absolutely. Begin with an avocado and lime cheesecake. This no-bake wonder combines mashed avocado with cream cheese and lime juice set atop a crumbly biscuit base. It's rich, it's creamy, and it refreshes with every zesty bite. And for a splendid end-of-day relaxer, craft yourself an avocado margarita. Blend ripe avocado with lime juice, tequila, triple sec, and ice for a smooth, frothy cocktail that perfectly balances creamy and kicky. In desserts and drinks, avocado not only works its buttery magic, but also introduces a healthy twist, proving it's not just food, it's an experience. With these recipes, your newfound culinary creativity with avocados should be buzzing with excitement. Don't forget, choosing the right avocado is key. Look for ones that are slightly soft but not mushy. And if you have leftovers, a little lemon juice will keep the green goodness fresh. Embrace the versatility, nutrition, and sheer deliciousness of avocados and make every meal unexpectedly and delightfully better. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.